Now, because of their glass surface, induction stoves can be a little tricky to take care of. But don't you worry, because that is exactly what we are going to discuss today. My name is Leona and I'm going to give you 3 tips to keep your induction stove in tip-top shape. Tip number 1. Wipe your surface right away. Many of us tend to wait until we're done cooking before cleaning surfaces like our stovetops. However, particular spills like liquids with sugar, an example would be caramel sauce, syrup, or even melted marshmallows, should be cleaned up quickly. These types of spills can damage your induction stove because they have the tendency to lodge themselves into the surface and permanently stain the stove. Tip number 2. Cleanse gently. Avoid using steel wool, abrasive cleansers, or even rough sponges. Instead, try to use soft kitchen towels for cleaning the surfaces. And finally, we have tip number 3, scraping out dried food. Now, this can be a bit tricky, as I mentioned in tip 2 that you should be very gentle in cleaning your surfaces. So still a no-no for steel wool and abrasive cleaners. In this case, you might need the help of a putty knife. Putty knives are best when getting rid of food that has dried up on the surface. If used incorrectly, however, this can cause a large and permanent scratch on your induction stove. So make sure to be careful and take your time. There you have it. 3 simple ways in keeping your induction stove in tip-top shape so you can enjoy it for years to come. Head on over to www.allhome.com.ph to get your hands on your own dream induction stove. The Garrett induction stove is available online and in stores. And friends, as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to All Home's official YouTube channel. My name is Leona. I hope you enjoyed this episode and I will be back again soon. Bye!